There's nothing rich folks love more than going downtown and slumming it with the poor. They pull up in the carriages and gawk at the students in the commons just to watch them talk.
Take Philip Schuyler, the man is loaded. Oh, but little does he know that his daughters, Peggy, Angelica, Eliza, sneak into the city just to watch all the guys work, work.
Angelica,
Work, work, Eliza,
and Peggy.
the Schuyler Sisters.
Angelica,
Eliza, work. Daddy said to be home by sundown. Daddy doesn't need to know. Daddy said not to go downtown. Like I said, you're free to go. But look around, the revolution's happening in New York. It's bad enough Daddy wants to go to war. We're shouting in the square. It's bad enough there'll be violence on our shores. New ideas in the air. Look around, Angelica, remind me what we're looking for. She's looking for me, Eliza, and looking for my dad to work, work. Looking for my dad to work, work. Looking for my dad to work, work. Whoa, 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 work.
I've been reading Common Sense by Thomas Paine, so men say that I'm intense or I'm insane. You want a revolution, I want a revelation, so listen to my declaration.
We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. And when I meet Thomas Jefferson,
I'm compelled woman in the sequel. Work.
I'm looking for a mind and work, work. I'm looking for a mind and work, work. I'm looking for a mind and work, work. Whoa.